Hey, what's up guys? This is Mario from Trade of the Day. In today's video, I'm going to go over the market as a whole. What are the sectors that are moving? Where are the opportunities? And where do I see some of the stocks that I believe are going to make a next move? So let's get started. So I'm going to go over the sectors in the S&P 500 really quickly. So you have utilities not doing much. The Nasdaq is trending. It's a very, very strong sector, so I'm very, very interested in the Nasdaq and technology. Real estate or investment trusts, REITs, not doing much. Again, XLK, that's pretty much the Nasdaq. XLY, which is discretionary, consumer discretionary, it is trending nicely, so I do like it. It's moving kind of slow, not as fast as the technology, but it's doing its thing. Staples are doing pretty bad, and I think they're going to continue to do bad because of the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates. So nothing out of the norm, something that I was actually expecting to happen. So healthcare, looks like it's gonna about to make a move pretty soon. If you guys can see, and it had a double tested this low twice, may create a higher low, and it's about to break this 83 level. So that's something that I'm very interested for another move. So I'm actually even gonna put an alert on that right now to keep a lookout. Now, XBI or biotech, I really like, made a move after Donald Trump did talk about the industry. Pretty much just said that their goal of administration is to cut the middleman to lower the cost of drugs for consumers who need because of their health. So overall, it was good news for the industry because there was a lot of fear that they were going to regulate prices and things like that, and does not look like that's what's going to happen. Energy is trending very nicely. Now it had this humongous move that I was not part of, so not happy about that, but that's okay. I am looking for a pullback so I could try to get in and see if it's going to maybe go towards the 80, 85 levels. Industrials, again, made his move. I'm very happy I did catch this move right here. We used through Boeing. So I'm very happy about that. And materials looks like it's gonna make another move. So definitely keeping an eye on that. And let's see what else is gonna looks like it's gonna make a move. We have financials. Financials very very important. Again, the second biggest sector in the S&P 500. I really see this making is definitely a bigger move. There's a hammer candle, and I do like Goldman Sachs, being that it is one of the biggest stocks in the S&P 500 in the financial sector. So that being said, there's two hammer candles. There's one right here in this area that tested this 230 level, one right here, and we're looking for that to hold, and hopefully that continues to, add momentum, and we see a little rally. So we'll see what happens with that. We'll see. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on that and see where that goes. But I do like financials. That's definitely my one of the sectors that I really like. So financials and technology. So that's pretty much it, guys. Actually, I did want to go over quickly over the Fangs because I do like what the Fangs are doing. Netflix broke out, made new highs today. So definitely that's leading the technology sector. I really like that. I am looking for. We'll see what. Actually, this is a pretty tricky one. I know some traders will actually buy on this breakout and hope for it to trend, which it could happen. It absolutely could happen. But for me, I prefer to look into something more like Google, where it's kind of trading a little bit lower, and it looks like it's holding its support levels, and it's gonna make another move. I like to buy support versus breakouts. That's just my style. So Apple making new highs, actually almost making new highs, close to highs. So that looks really good. And then we have and that's actually pretty much it actually. So one of the stocks that I do follow in the tech sector is semiconductors, NVDA. I like that. The sector is a really strong sector, and NVDA seems to be the stock that is kind of moving that sector. So I really like that it's kind of making this decent move. Now, again, guys, keep in mind that a lot of these sectors, you have to keep up with them. and see what they're doing in terms of their earnings. See which stocks are the ones that are leading the sectors, because that kind of really helps you determine which stocks are the best to get in. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys learned something. I'll be posting this video, and if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to follow me. Have a good one, guys. Bye.